Hey, just wanted to, I'm just, feeling very sad. However, I am grateful for my job, and I'm grateful for things. I'm just, feeling pretty sad. So, just kind of, you know, feeling a bit hopeless. But anyway, we keep going on.